Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question.
How to convert 690 mm Hg to ATM? Correct answer is to convert 690 mm Hg to ATM, we need to use the conversion factor that relates millimeters of mercury mmHg to atmospheres ATM. The conversion factor is 1 ATM equals 760 mmHg. Given that we want to convert 690 mmHg to ATM, we can use setup of proportion as follows: 690 mmHg 1 ATM by 760 mmHg equal x ATM. Solving for x, we get 690 mmHg 1 ATM by 760 mmHg equal 0.9078947368 ATM. Therefore, 690 mmHg is approximately equal to 0.9079 ATM.
So that was our today's correct answer to question. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be answering your question soon. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next question. Bye bye.